I have also raised this issue that CZMP plan, or rather CZMA, is a constitutional body. Now, I would like to know from the minister what role exactly is his as far as this plan is concerned, because he says that we are going to do it, I am going to do it, we are going to do it, or rather, and फाल्यां तो प्लॅन येना जाल्यार तेगे responsibility कितें? Means I want to fix responsibility.
Whatever required to form the 2011, what people of Goa and what they are, the NGOs are trying to show that there is no cadastral plan, houses located as of 1991. I'm making it again. That is not the role of the 2011 notification of the CRZ. We are supposed to mark the HTL line, LTL line, hazardous line, these three lines. We are supposed to mark the sand dunes. We are supposed to mark the mangroves. We are supposed to mark the Khazan lands. We are supposed to mark the salt pans. We are supposed to mark the archaeological sites of importance. So all what is in 2011 is the role that CRZ is going to do, Speaker Sir. It is very clear.
Let whoever who is objecting fight in the NGT or whoever to get their things done, whatever as per rule. So munge mang teka, why you are doing all this?
As I told Speaker Sir, this government is interested, number one, to find solution to the CRZ issue. And the environment department of this government will see that we find solution. You don't have to tell what this government has to do, Speaker Sir. This government will do, आमी करतले जे लोकांक जाय ते करतले, Speaker Sir. आणि तो बेस प्लॅन जो करपाचो जाय ते इतले सक्सेसफुली कोणे करू ना ते आमी अंडर डायनामिक लीडरशिप ऑफ ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रमोद बाब we will do it, Speaker Sir, and we will do it. This is my commitment to you and the House that we will do it. Create 1991 plan by finding all sorts of things. कितें जाता, Speaker Sir? तेन्ना गुगल नाशिल्ली. तेन्ना बाकीचे जे फ्रेंच सॅटेलायट, बाकीचे सॅटेलायट, रशियन सॅटेलायट, आमचे डिफेन्स, इस्रोचे, बाकीचे सगळे गोष्टी जे जे आसा ते सोदून काडून आमी कशे भाशेन जाता ते भाशेन प्लॅन करतले, Speaker Sir.